Good morning, friends, and welcome back to another vlog. It is Monday today and it's currently almost 7:30 and I'm about to go into work. Starting early on a Monday morning is my favorite. But I have work from 7:30 until 12, so a real tiny little shift, and I actually really like having these shifts on Monday mornings. Even if I complain about them, I secretly enjoy them. But when I come home, I'm gonna write a to-do list. I have to do my grocery shopping today. I think I might be hanging out with my little brother today. Just a bunch of things this afternoon. I want to tan today. We'll see if that happens because I'm sick of being this pale. I am gonna be late for work if I keep talking to you, so I'm gonna go.
A few moments later.
I put a lot of coffee in there, also a lot of caramel, so not a lot of room for milk, but it's good. I finished work. I'm in the same spot as I was 4.5 hours ago. I'm gonna go home and eat. That's all I really have to say.
I like them tall, I like them smart, I like them all, it breaks my heart. I don't make any money, more. Found the one can let them. I like the way you walk and talk and all your features.
The lighting at my desk is so bad because the windows are right behind me. I hope this is okay. But I just got home from work and I've sat down at my desk. I made some ham and salad sandwiches and then I have my planner here. And while I eat my lunch, I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna multitask and write my to-do list for the rest of the day. But my little brother Alex is gonna come over soon. I don't really know when, and he's gonna mow our lawn for us. Before he comes over, I'm just gonna write down my to-do list so that I can get everything I need to get done this afternoon. I'm not really a list person. I thought I was, but I'm definitely not. But I'm trying to be a list person. I'm no authentically Amy or Rachel Catherine, but I'm a try. Grocery haul 2.0. I got a bag of spuds. I like potatoes a lot and I'm just gonna eat mashed potatoes all the time.
All day, every day.
All day, every day. You know, it's just like so.
Oh, yeah.
I got some Oreos because I wanted them. I got some wraps, just for ham and salad wraps if I don't feel like having a sandwich. I got some muffins so I can take like a packed lunch with me if I have a break at work. I also got some choc chips for when I cook pancakes. I got some toilet cleaner because I have a toilet. I got some air freshener for my toilet. And I also got some Glad bags so I can like freeze stuff. I can put my sandwiches in it. They're all around great thing. I got bigger ones as well because they weren't that much more expensive. And I was like, you may as well have extra room instead of not enough room, you know?
I know.
I got some kids mandarins because I like mandarins a lot and they was really cute.
I was so close to buying those this morning.
I got some frozen peas, corn, and carrot. Rachel's just in the background nodding, and so is Izzy. I got frozen peas, corn, and carrot because I love peas, corn, and carrot. What'd you say?
I said it's good for fried rice.
Fried rice.
And you just put bacon and eggs in it and boil it down.
Like scrambled egg?
Yeah, like scrambled egg and like diced bacon.
I'm totally doing that.
Yeah, that's what I'm
That'd
doing.
be a really easy meal.
Yeah.
And then you can meal prep.
Take it
Yeah.
to lunch.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
And I got some carrots so I can cook them honey carrots because I love honey carrots.
Do you have honey?
No, I got a cheesecake because after I have dinner every night, I'm just, there's like a void in my heart. My dessert is sitting and I haven't had it and I'm just like, oh. So I'm just gonna have a little bit of cheesecake for dessert.
Oh, she thick.
I got some thick sausages. I got some sliced cheese. I have a block of cheese, but I wanted sliced cheese for chicken burgers and stuff like that. I got some more ham because I ran out of my ham last week really quickly, so I got it ×4. And I got some more mince because I have extra spaghetti and extra spaghetti bolognese sauce, so I'm just gonna make more of that this week. We're almost done, kinda, not really. I got self-raising flour, I got plain flour, and I got sugar for pancakes. I got maple syrup for the pancakes.
It's just a pancake bowl.
I got some spaghetti. These little cans are perfect. They're literally just the perfect amount of spaghetti for what I want, and they're great. I got some noodles, I'm an adult. I got some Nutella and peanut butter. And then I got some juices. I got an apple and mango and an apple. I love juice. I'll just like keep one in the fridge and then one in the pantry. And that's all. Woo! Now to put it all away. Woo! morning. Hello, it is Tuesday and I'm gonna make some of the girls some pancakes and myself, and I'm really excited. Fun fact, Rachel leaves us to pick up all over the house. So if you ever wonder how Rachel Catherine 998 gets such good Instagram photos, it's because I'm her personal photographer and we're about to do a photo shoot. It's now almost 12 and I've worked today from 12 until 5. I actually left home a bit early to come to my shopping center and I just went into Priceline. I went to Priceline because they're having a 40% off sale. I don't really need any makeup at the moment, but I've run out of my Essence eyebrow pencil. I was like, oh, I'll just go in and pick up like 3 or 4 of them because they're so cheap. So I went in there and Essence isn't a part of the 40% off sale. I mean, Essence is already cheap enough. Like I still bought one, but I only bought one. I was gonna buy like 3 or 4. Essence has always been a part of their sale and I'm like a little bit hurt that they're not. If you are looking for a cheap drugstore eyebrow pencil, would 10 out of 10 recommend this one. I'm gonna go to work soon and then I have dinner with my family tonight. Every Tuesday is family dinner night and we're having tacos for dinner tonight, which I'm so excited. Was I tan last night and my face doesn't match my neck? Are we surprised? I'm gonna go. Okay, bye. Hello, I miss you. I love you so much. I have my taco ready for mummy. Give me a rating of your day out of 10.
5.
Oh, that's better than
5.5.
yeah.
5.75.
Yeah. What about you? Out of 10.
9.
Oh,
Wait.
Wow.
good day.
How-
Out of 10. 5. Oh,
Out of 10, how was your day?
I'd go a solid 7.
7.
Actually an 8. I'm gonna go for an 8.75.
Yeah.
Because of chocolate chip pancakes and tacos. And the little bit of the thick Jack I drank at work today. I am now home, but I'm going to end off this vlog here. I do really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next upload in the very near future. Bye.